I'm sitting over my campfire and I'm just about ready to throw on this beautiful steak for dinner tonight. You can have any kind of steak you want. I prefer ribeye because ribeye, it's all that fat and marble to it. I seasoned it with a little seasoned salt and also some pepper. It's so easy to do. I already have my fire going. The coals are nice and hot. There's no flames leaping up. Just gonna put it right on there. And it's probably gonna take about 6 minutes per side. And that's gonna be a nice medium steak. But remember, we're campfire cooking, so however it comes out, it comes out. So I've been letting this cook for about 5 minutes or so on this side. I'm gonna flip it over, see how it looks. It's looking really good for a pan-fried steak. Let this go for another 5 minutes or so. I think the steak is done. It has been cooking for about 6 minutes aside, and it is feeling done. Let's get it over the table and try it out. Okay, hot off the grill, ready to eat. Put this out of the way. I love steak, especially when I go camping. I always use my leather knife, my Leatherman knife. Try this out while it's so hot. It is medium well. You know, when you're cooking, campfire cooking, it's hard to judge. I usually like medium rare, but I also like well because I'm sort of weird that way. So steak is steak. Ribeye is always delicious no matter how it's cooked. With the seasoning I put on it, any seasoning that you want, and that smoke from the fire, really amazing. And to go along good with this is corn that I cooked on the grill as well. So, really amazing dish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. And have an amazing time campfire cooking.